My girlfriend's evil. Very evil. She just brought blue in my face. Hey guys, it's another sunny, nasty weekday out here in New York City.
Sweaty hot day.
Sweaty, nasty, and muggy. Ugh. How are you guys doing over there? Anyway, if you guys notice, I have actually indeed 2 giant black dots on my forehead.
What? They're not black.
Okay, 2 giant dark bruises on my forehead. I want to lie about it, and I want to tell you guys, I got massive hickeys on my forehead by a girl who can do perfect circle bruises on my forehead. But no, that's not how it happened. And if you guys stay tuned, I will demonstrate again in 2 days when these things are healed. She's embarrassed.
No, I'm not. I'm just not.
She's like, you're a numbskull. I'm ashamed to be on the street with you.
That's not true.
I know, I'm putting things in her mouth. I'm literally putting things inside her mouth. Today, we're being touristy and we're going to this place called Kinokuniya. Now, for those of you who actually, we're shaking too much. Oh my god. I'm like,
We're holding it out straight.
anyway, like I was being really interrupted by Miss Cameraman Police over here. We're going to a place called Kinokuniya. For those of you who like Asian and Japanese culture, this is pretty much the Japanese bookstore to go to. Let's go check it out. Something she wants already.
No, I just thought that was funny because I
How
see Johnny
I stole
Depp.
Johnny Depp's alien girlfriend. You want to buy it, don't you?
Totoro's.
Fuzzy nubbies.
Fuzzy nubbies.
Plush nubbies.
That's Totoro.
For those of you guys who've never seen Totoro, I pity you. How would you not know Totoro?
Totoro is so cute.
Some of them actually comes with a toy, which is what this is. And it's like that thick. How many of you here reads One Piece? You love this place, don't you? Nice. Flawless victory. Domo bag.
I'm looking.
No way. Oh, sweet. I should get this
Vinyl figure.
messenger bag. It's all fuzzy too.
You got this one?
What? Oh no.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this one's cuter. Feel it. It's really soft.
It's all plushy.
It's so cute.
Toki Doki shirts. Bet you guys can't find us anywhere else. Not in stores.
I get a 1-up.
1-up, man. Oh no, what is this?
It's the nerdy dog.
I should totally wear one of these. Hey, how'd I look?
Oh my gosh.
I look good?
No.
Come on.
No. You got a set of eyeballs on your head. Iron balls.
Toki Iron Man punching an iron ball.
What's wrong with this? This looks a little funny. For this position. And here. It's 2 bodies.
They're stacking on top of each other.
Right.
The shirts are having sex.
Shirt sex.
Shirt sex. This is Lauren's favorite section in the entire store.
The hole on X. Basically put it together. When you put it together, it's supposed to end up looking like this.
And it's made out of paper.
I wouldn't buy it only because it's like, I don't know, the blurry picture throws me off. There are only certain types of images that look good blurry. I got another pinhole camera, but it's panoramic, which makes it awesome.
I don't know what that is, but okay.
Panorama, it just makes, so instead of, like with a normal camera, you take a picture of the bridge, it might only catch
Oh, so it's like a
here,
widescreen thing.
but here you get more. And you also build that. This literally has actual plastic pieces.
Do it yourself.
Do it, you see? Like that would be the view.
That's like a model kit.
That was just awesome. I love it. These little monkeys. Monkeys.
You have a weird doll fetish.
No, I just think these are extremely cute. I don't own any dolls. I haven't owned a doll since I was like 10, if not, you know, before that.
And now she likes stubby wooden dolls.
Whatever.
Look at all these. They come in takeout boxes. I wonder if they have flavors. That's grape, orange, lime, cherry. Oh, and Asian. That's the Asian flavor. Angry Birds. I throw Angry Bird at you.
I throw one at the interwebs.
Alright, for the second floor they have mangas and DVDs, but because of store policy, I don't think we can actually take pictures or film them. So if you guys wanted to see it, it's better for you to come in person, or you know, they have a pretty cool website too. Man, it's hot out here.
Mini blue one. Right there. I was poking a mini Totoro. Yeah.
She gets distracted very easily by anything, apparently.
Squirrel.
Yeah, not just doodles now. Mini blue Totoro. Totoro.
You say it like
Totoro.
you are We're home now, and it's, I don't even know what time it is. It is almost 1 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, if you haven't guessed it already, we're already night owls. Danny took a nap. I gotta wake him up. Let's help wake him up. Everybody make fun of the big purple, reddish purple spot on his forehead in the comments below.
Hey.
He was like, tell nobody? Okay, fine, I can't tell anybody. You guys will find out when he wants to tell you or show you what he did. I cannot find our dog anywhere. She's not in the bathroom. She's not behind the chair. I don't know where she is. She's not in our living room. Normally she's there, but we have the giant vacuum cleaner box there. Let's see, where could she be? Lexi Boo! Oh, I think I see her. Lexi Boo! Come here! Hi! Are you hiding? Are you hiding? What are you doing, silly? What are you doing hiding underneath there? Does it feel good? Is it nice and cool underneath there? You nutcase. You nutcase. She loves it. She loves being scratched right here. You're a weirdo. I call her a weirdo so many times. It makes me think of KT Tunstall's song, Still a Weirdo. Which is a good song because everybody is still a weirdo in one way or another. Especially this one. Lexus, you're a weirdo. I can't even see your eyes. Where are your eyes? Where are your eyes? There you go. You see your beautiful eyes. Say goodnight to the interwebs, Nubby. Say goodnight to the interwebs. Do you like your new swing? Come here. Ooh. Oh, he's quick now. Oh, look at the cuteness. Okay, comments below. On a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the absolute cutest. How cute is Nubby? Say goodnight to the interwebs. You heard him. We're gonna go to bed. Actually, I take that back. Danny's gonna get up and finish editing his review video. Link is gonna be in the booty bar. And I'm gonna edit yesterday's vlog. So anyway, good night guys.